everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Prince Blackies, I'm gonna make a new unboxing for this. So we've got right here, this is not just a long video for today, right? But it's a long video, so I'm gonna have to check it out. So this is a pill box, right? So for my medicine, so let's go gonna check it out. And this is also from Timo, right? So okay, let's go gonna have to check this out. So okay, so let's go gonna check this out. So what is the actual size for this one, right? Since it is so small in the picture, right, when I check it in Timo. So let's go gonna open this up. Okay, so right here is a box storage for your medicine. It's a pill box, right? So I'm gonna have to check it out. And since also this is the box for this one, a storage box for your medicine. So oh nice. Okay, we've got right here this one. We got small, and then let's go gonna have to open this up. Here it goes. Yeah, perfect, like this one also. So it's only for three, right? So three compartment over here. So perfect for my medicine for to check it out, right? So yes, and it's also they got it has also a rubber in here, in which yeah, it is for you to. And also this is a small one, right? So compared to my other one, and it's also right over here is just to have like that. So yeah, perfect, good. And also yeah, this is this is a minimalistic, right? So I only have yes, I only have three. So three medicine for lunch, and also three medicine for lunch, and also two medicine for dinner, after dinner, right? So after lunch and after dinner. So after lunch I have three medicine, and also two, and also for my after dinner I also have a two medicine, right? So I think this will be the perfect. I think this is perfect, right? So this is perfect for, right, for minimalistic, right? It is also a really nice. I really like it also, right? Nice. And also yes, and it's compared to my other one. So compared to my other pill box, right? So storage pill box, right? So this one is better, and it's also I really like it is because it is so compact, and also a lightweight one. So perfect for me to have this one also. The storage box for your medicine, right? Storage box, pill box, right? So a nice one, and it's also a perfect pill box for minimalistic, right? So not so good. Okay, not so long video for today, right? But worth it for me to make a video for this one, right? Since it is also, and it's also this is good for traveling also, right? So if you want to bring some medicines in traveling, so this is will be a good one for you. So I think I'm gonna have to buy more for this one, because I really like it. So because this is for my daily medicine, right? For my daily medicine, and also I'm gonna have to buy another one for to bring some ibuprofen and also Tylenol, right? So this will be a good one also for me to have it. But I think I'm good with this one also. I'm good with, so I think I think I don't have to buy more of this one. So okay, so I think so the other one is I'm gonna be putting my Tylenol and ibuprofen, and also vitamins, right? So for the other one, this is bigger one, so I right here. So yes, I have it in my backpack. So right, so nice. And also I really like it also, this one. All right, so and also yes, perfect for me to have this kind of yeah, pill box, right? So and it's also a really nice pill box, right? So and it also has a, like over here. And yeah, it's not opening up, right? So yeah, Yeah, it's not. Yeah, so it can hold really well. It can hold really well for, so it's because of this one right over here. Yep, and then yep, very very good, and also I really like it. Nice. So perfect storage box for your medicine, right? Pill box. And this, okay, link down below, also link down below in the description. Okay, so I think that's it for today's vlog, right? And I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell, okay, so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos here in my channel. So stay tuned, okay, stay tuned. It's because I'm gonna give some of my good stuffs, and also all of my you know, right, all of my things, and also and everything. So electronics and gadgets, and also techs and gadgets, everyday carry, and also gonna be cycling accessories and tech accessories here in my channel. So okay, and also gaming gadgets and electronics. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you again in my next video, everyone.